Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. My today's video is very creative, unique and eye-catchy in itself. I bet that today's video will draw your attention and you will love to watch the video entire content until end. You will not go anywhere. So without doing anything else or discussing some things apart from the main concern, now let's move towards our video. Friends, my today's video contains 70 plus creative, amazing and stylish ideas of peacock embroidery. Friends, as you could see that all of these patterns are handmade with a beautiful blend of different color combinations that go exactly fine and well with each other and enhance the beauty of the most pattern. So friends, where you can use these patterns, most of the designs are being showed onto your dress designs, like onto shirts, onto kurtis, onto sweatshirts, onto t-shirts, onto many more creative patterns of different geographical regions of the world based patterns. So you can use these very beautiful patterns of peacock embroidery for your dress designing. Like you can make these very pretty, eye-catchy and extremely eye-loving designs onto your blouse, shirts. You can also make these patterns onto your denim shirts, onto your denim jackets and many more creative denim based fabrics as well. So the patterns are extremely beautiful, eye-catchy to the extent that you can use them for your eastern dresses as well as for your western dress codes also. And the scope of these peacock embroidery patterns is not only limited to dress designing, but you can also make these patterns onto your handbags to make them more creative and classy, onto your clutch, onto your clasp bags, which are made up of pure leather or any sort of fabric material. You can also make these patterns onto your jeans, and you can also make these whole patterns by following one simple embroidery stitch, that is a patchwork, which is also named as Sindhi embroidery, Sindhi Bharth, Gujarati jammer and many more creative names for one thing. I have tried to add different style ideas both for beginners, for embroidery artists, for embroidery lovers. So this video is a mix of simple, easy and very complex ideas as well. Guys, do try these patterns and I'm sure you will love all of them, and to whomever you will show these patterns, they would praise you for your creative and artistic work. And now you are seeing some design ideas only based on one stitch, that is a patchwork, Sindhi embroidery or Gujarati jammer. And make these patterns onto your blouse, kurtis. You can also make these patterns onto your party dresses, gowns, maxi dress, frocks as well, and you can use these patterns for the designing of your baby girl dresses as well. I hope that you find my today's video creative, beautiful, informative, helpful, useful, and do leave comments below this video so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you on daily basis. Keep supporting us and keep watching our videos like you always have been. And friends, you can also use these embroidery patterns for machine embroidery as well. Machine embroidery patterns would look amazing and creative. If you are not a lover of hand embroidery and you like machine embroidery, then you can go for machine embroidery as well. So with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end. Meet you soon back in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, of your loved ones. Keep going on, keep motivated and stay focused on your goals.